Welcome to 2021. My name is McHorse, and in this video I'll show you how to make Blockbuster actors work with Moben's animations. For this video, beside Blockbuster and its dependencies, you'll obviously need Moben's mod, and More Player Models mod. To make Moben's work with actors, you need Moben's to be installed. Deselect the Morph in Scenes panel, and enable Fake Player option. That will make an actor use Moben's animations. If your game crashes, that usually happens due to Journey Map mod. For some reason it doesn't like fake players, you'll have to uninstall it. That's as far as basics go. Now let's get to advanced stuff. As you can see in the default state, these two have capes. For some reason, to fix that for Steve and Alex, you have to pick a player morph at the bottom, edit it, and input some gibberish username until it shows up either as Steve or Alex. Keep in mind that you can't have player morphs with same username in the same scene. All of them must be unique, otherwise actors simply won't show up. Now, the last thing you might want to know is how to change skins of these actors. The easiest way to change a skin is just to pick a player morph with username that has a desired skin. Obviously, that works only if you're doing something like Dream Recreation Machinima, or something similar, involving known Minecraft players. But if you need a custom skin, which you certainly do, you can use More Player Models mod to set a custom skin. First step is to upload a skin online, for example to Imgur. Then copy the URL of uploaded skin by right-clicking on the image. Back in Minecraft, open character selection menu of More Players Models mod. It's F12 by default. There, create a new normal configuration, edit it, go to options, and set the skin URL. Then equip that configuration. That will change your skin to the one we uploaded on Imgur. Once it's done, go back to Scenes panel, and click on Update Data button. This will change the skin of the fake player actor to the one we equipped with MPM mod. If you'll play back the scene, you'll see one of the actor having the uploaded skin. Yay. That should be it. Hopefully this tutorial helped you set up Moben's to work with Blockbuster's actors. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.